What if I told you that millions of Americans are successfully retiring without ever touching a 401k? While financial advisors constantly preach the gospel of employer-sponsored retirement plans, here's what they're not telling you. The 401k system is barely 45 years old, yet people have been retiring comfortably for centuries. In fact, 32% of American workers don't even have access to a 401k, and many who do are discovering that traditional retirement accounts might not be the golden ticket they were promised. Today, we're going to shatter the myth that 401ks are your only path to retirement and reveal 4 powerful strategies that might actually work better for your financial future. So if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for our latest wealth building insights. The 401k illusion. Why this solution has problems. The 401k wasn't designed as a retirement solution. It was created in 1978 as a tax loophole for executives. It only became the default retirement vehicle because companies realized they could shift retirement responsibility from themselves to employees while cutting costs. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The average 401k balance for Americans approaching retirement is just $289,000. With a 4% withdrawal rate, that's roughly $11,560 per year. Try living on that. As financial educator Robert Kiyosaki bluntly states, the 401k is one of the biggest scams ever perpetrated on the American people. You're betting your retirement on the stock market and hoping politicians won't change the tax rules. The system has fundamental flaws. You're locked into limited investment options chosen by your employer. You face penalties for early access. And you're gambling that tax rates will be lower when you retire, a bet that's looking increasingly risky with mounting national debt. Suze Orman adds, the 401k has become a crutch that's keeping people from taking real control of their financial destiny. When you depend entirely on one retirement vehicle, especially one with so many restrictions, you're putting all your eggs in a very fragile basket. So, strategy number 1, the real estate retirement method. Real estate has created more millionaires than any other investment vehicle, and it offers something 401ks can't. Current income, tax advantages, and inflation protection all in one package. The strategy works through cash flow properties, rental real estate that generates monthly income exceeding all expenses. Instead of waiting until 65 to access your money, you're building income streams that can support retirement at any age. Real estate mogul Grant Cardone explains, real estate gives you 3 ways to build wealth simultaneously: cash flow, appreciation, and tax benefits. A 401k only gives you hope that the market goes up. I'll take guaranteed rental income over stock market prayers any day. The psychological advantage is tangible control. You can see, touch, and directly influence your investment's performance. Unlike 401k mutual funds, where you're a passive passenger, real estate lets you actively increase value through improvements, better management, or strategic refinancing. Here's the power. A single rental property generating $500 monthly cash flow creates $6,000 annual retirement income. To generate equivalent income from a 401k using the 4% rule, you'd need $150,000 invested. But that rental property might only require a $30,000, $50,000 down payment. Tax advantages multiply the benefits. Depreciation, mortgage interest, repairs, and other deductions often eliminate taxes on rental income entirely. As tax strategist Tom Wheelwright notes, real estate is the only investment where the government actually pays you to own it through tax incentives. To implement, start with house hacking. Live in a duplex or fourplex. Rent out the other units to cover your mortgage. Once you've built equity and experience, acquire additional cash-flowing properties. Focus on properties where rent covers all expenses, plus generates positive cash flow. Strategy number 2, the business owner's retirement path. Building a business that can eventually run without you creates the ultimate retirement vehicle. Ongoing income without your direct involvement, plus a valuable asset you can eventually sell. The approach focuses on systems-dependent businesses, enterprises that generate revenue through established processes and other people's work rather than your personal time. This creates both current income and future wealth through business value. Entrepreneur Dave Ramsey puts it perfectly. The wealthy don't retire from their money, they retire from their time. Building a business that works without you is better than any 401k because it pays you indefinitely and gives you something valuable to sell when you're ready. The psychological principle is ownership mentality. When you control the income-generating asset, you control your financial destiny. Unlike 401ks, where external market forces determine your fate, business ownership puts you in the driver's seat. Business income also offers superior tax treatment. Business owners can deduct expenses, contribute to multiple retirement vehicles, and often pay lower effective tax rates than employees. As tax expert Mark Kohler explains, business ownership is the ultimate tax strategy. You get deductions employees can't access and retirement options they can't use. Modern technology makes this more accessible than ever. Online businesses, consulting practices, digital products, and service-based companies can often be built with minimal startup capital while offering unlimited growth potential. To implement, identify skills or knowledge you can monetize. Start a side business while maintaining your job, focusing on creating systems and processes that reduce your direct involvement over time. Reinvest profits to accelerate growth and build sustainable cash flow. Strategy number 3, the taxable investment freedom strategy. Contrary to popular belief, investing in regular taxable accounts often beats 401ks for early retirement because of one crucial advantage: complete flexibility and access to your money. The strategy leverages tax-efficient investing in low-cost index funds within taxable brokerage accounts. While you lose the upfront tax deduction, you gain something more valuable: the ability to access your money anytime without penalties. Investment legend Jack Bogle observed, "The real enemy of investor returns isn't taxes, it's fees, penalties, and restricted access to your own money." Sometimes the tax tail wags the investment dog, and people make poor decisions to save taxes while sacrificing flexibility. Here's the mathematical reality. Long-term capital gains taxes are currently 0%, 15%, or 20% depending on income, often lower than the ordinary income tax rates you'll pay on 401k withdrawals. Plus, you can harvest losses to offset gains, something impossible with tax-deferred accounts. The psychological benefit is financial freedom. Knowing you can access your wealth whenever needed eliminates the anxiety of being locked into employer plans with restrictive rules and early withdrawal penalties. Financial independence expert J.L. Collins explains, "The beauty of taxable investing is simplicity and control. No contribution limits, no required distributions, no early withdrawal penalties. Your money works for you on your terms, not the government's terms." This strategy particularly benefits high earners who might not qualify for Roth IRA contributions, but can invest unlimited amounts in taxable accounts. It also works perfectly for people planning early retirement who need access to funds before age 59 and a half. To implement, open a taxable brokerage account with a low-cost provider. Invest in broad market index funds with low expense ratios. Focus on tax-efficient funds that minimize distributions. Use tax loss harvesting to offset gains and optimize your tax situation. Strategy number 4, the multiple income streams approach. Instead of betting everything on one retirement vehicle, this strategy creates diverse income sources that collectively support retirement without depending on any single method. The approach builds income diversification, combining rental income, business profits, dividend payments, royalties, and other cash flow sources. Like a financial ecosystem, if one income stream falters, others continue supporting your lifestyle. Millionaire investor Chris Hogan explains, "Wealthy people don't have jobs, they have income streams. The goal isn't to get rich from one source, it's to build multiple sources that each contribute to your financial independence." The psychological principle is risk mitigation. Spreading retirement income across multiple sources reduces anxiety and increases confidence. Instead of hoping your 401k performs well, you've created multiple backup systems. This might include dividend-paying stocks providing quarterly income, a small business generating monthly profits, rental properties providing cash flow, royalties from creative work, and peer-to-peer lending generating interest. Each stream might be modest, but collectively they create substantial income. Personal finance author Robert Allen notes, multiple streams of income is not just a nice idea, it's a necessity in today's economy. The people who thrive are those who don't depend on any single source for their financial security. The beauty lies in scalability and adaptability. You can start small with one additional income stream, then gradually add others as time and resources allow. Each stream can be adjusted, optimized, or replaced based on changing circumstances. To implement, identify 3 to 5 potential income streams aligned with your skills, interests, and resources. Start developing one stream while maintaining your primary income. Once established, add additional streams systematically. Aim for each stream to eventually contribute 15 to 25% of your target retirement income. The power of alternative retirement strategies. The breakthrough realization is that 401ks are just one tool in a much larger toolkit. The most financially secure retirees aren't those who maxed out their 401ks. They're those who created multiple pathways to financial independence. As Dave Ramsey wisely states, retirement isn't an age, it's a financial number. Whether you reach that number through real estate, business ownership, investments, or multiple income streams doesn't matter. What matters is having enough passive income to support your lifestyle. Each alternative strategy offers something 401ks can't: flexibility, control, and often better tax treatment. Whether you choose real estate cash flow, business ownership, taxable investing, or multiple income streams, you're taking control of your financial destiny rather than hoping employer plans and government rules work in your favor. The most successful retirees combine several strategies, creating robust financial foundations that can weather economic storms and provide security regardless of what happens to traditional retirement systems. Financial educator Tiffany Aliche perfectly captures this. The question isn't whether you can retire without a 401k. It's whether you should limit yourself to just a 401k when so many better options exist. Your retirement security is too important to depend on a single strategy created by politicians and managed by corporations. Take control, diversify your approach, and build the retirement you actually want rather than the one you're told to want. If this opened your eyes to new possibilities, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who needs to hear this message. If you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our wealth building strategies. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.